In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a rainbow flick in Super Blox Soccer. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by spawning a ball, and you're going to walk up to it a little bit and make sure that it is in the middle of your avatar. You're also going to make sure that your camera is up like this. Now, since I just kicked the ball, you're going to make sure to spawn another ball and look at the command that dribble is assigned to. For myself, it is mouse button 1. So you're going to simultaneously click the mouse button 1 and also jump at the same time. Now, since this player took my ball, I'm going to spawn another one and go right in the middle of the ball. So I'm going to simultaneously dribble and jump, and just like that, it is a rainbow flick. If you want me to do it again, I'm just going to show you once more how to do the rainbow flick. So make sure you're in the middle of the ball, dribble and jump at the same time. And just like that, it's a rainbow flick. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.